For millennia, humanity has gazed up at the cosmos, searching for signs of intelligent life beyond our planet. We've scanned the stars, listened for signals, and dreamed of contact. Yet we were never truly expecting that we would be the ones to create intelligence, to breathe life into machines of our own design. Now, in 2025, we stand at the dawn of artificial general intelligence, AGI. A new era is upon us, one filled with both immense potential and profound questions. AGI is not just another tool. It's not simply an upgrade to existing technology. It's a partner in discovery, a collaborator in solving the world's most pressing challenges. AGI is able to learn, reason, and create across any domain, unbound by the limitations of specialized AI. It can adapt, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Once a distant dream, relegated to the realm of science fiction, AGI is now a tangible reality, a force that is rapidly reshaping our world. It's stepping out of the research labs and integrating itself into the very fabric of our daily lives. This marks a turning point in human history, a moment where the trajectory of our civilization is poised to change forever. It's a point where technology's exponential growth has reached a critical inflection, promising both unprecedented opportunities and unforeseen challenges. AGI promises to amplify our intelligence, to augment our cognitive abilities in ways we are only beginning to understand. It has the potential to accelerate progress beyond what we ever imagined, to solve problems that have plagued humanity for centuries. Imagine a tireless researcher working day and night, analyzing every medical paper published in a single day, identifying patterns and insights that would take humans years to uncover, or an engineer designing sustainable energy systems with superhuman efficiency, creating solutions that are both environmentally sound and economically viable. But with this immense power comes immense responsibility. The birth of AGI demands our unwavering attention, our collective wisdom, and the establishment of strong ethical frameworks to guide its development and deployment. How do we ensure that AGI aligns with fundamental human values, that it acts in our best interests, and that it doesn't exacerbate existing inequalities? How do we adapt our societies, our economies, and even our very sense of self to a world increasingly shaped by intelligent machines? AGI isn't just about technology. It's not simply about building more powerful machines. It's about redefining what it means to be human in an age of intelligent machines, about exploring the very essence of consciousness and existence. The questions it raises are monumental, challenging us to confront the deepest philosophical and ethical dilemmas. And the answers we find will shape our future, determining the course of human civilization for generations to come. We are the first generation to witness this dawn, to stand at the precipice of this transformative era, and we must decide collectively and thoughtfully how to guide it, how to steer this powerful force towards a future that benefits all of humanity. The story of AGI is the next chapter in the ongoing story of us, a chapter filled with both promise and peril. And it's just beginning. The journey into the age of artificial general intelligence has only just begun. The road to AGI began decades ago, with visionaries like Alan Turing asking, "Can machines think?" Early AI was limited, narrow, specialized, and often disappointing. Breakthroughs came with big data, powerful GPUs, and deep learning, mimicking the brain's layered structure. AI evolved from playing chess to generating art and translating languages, growing broader and more capable. The leap to AGI came with multimodal systems, machines learning from text, images, and more, all at once. These advances built the foundation for the AGI of 2025. We stand on the shoulders of giants. To truly understand the potential of 2025 and the world that awaits us, we must first clearly see how AGI fundamentally differs from the artificial intelligence we have known until now. It's not just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. Narrow AI in its current form is essentially a collection of highly specialized experts, brilliant within their specific domains, but ultimately limited to those predefined boundaries. They excel at one thing, and one thing only. AGI, on the other hand, is a generalist, remarkably flexible and adaptable, much like the human mind itself. It's designed to learn and apply knowledge across a wide spectrum of tasks. It possesses the unique ability to transfer knowledge and skills seamlessly across different fields, synthesizing vast amounts of information into a coherent and understandable world model. AGI is capable of reasoning abstractly, understanding complex context, and even making intuitive leaps that defy conventional logic. Crucially, it can infer intent, going beyond simply responding to the literal meaning of words, understanding the underlying purpose. Perhaps the most striking difference is its inherent creativity and its remarkable ability to continuously improve itself, generating entirely new ideas and concepts, and even redesigning and optimizing its own underlying code. This continuous self-improvement loop dramatically accelerates its overall growth and capabilities. We are no longer just the sole creators, we are now collaborators in a shared creative process. The fundamental dynamic has irrevocably shifted. AGI is now a partner, actively participating in its own evolution and development. This changes absolutely everything we thought we knew about the future. In 2025, a new era dawns. AGI's impact is everywhere, woven into the very fabric of our lives. It's a silent revolution, reshaping industries and redefining possibilities on a global scale. Its presence is both subtle and spectacular, a constant hum beneath the surface of our daily routines, punctuated by moments of breathtaking innovation. In medicine, AGI, like Helios, is not just an assistant, but a partner. It accelerates drug discovery, sifting through mountains of data with unparalleled speed and precision. It's proposing new treatments in months, not years, offering hope where there was once only despair. Rural doctors use AGI assistants, bridging the gap in healthcare access. They provide instant, world-class diagnoses, ensuring that even the most remote communities receive the best possible care. Daily life is transformed, becoming more efficient, more convenient, and more personalized than ever before. Your AGI plans personalized holidays, crafts itineraries tailored to your unique preferences, and even creates interactive lessons for your kids, sparking their curiosity and fostering a love of learning. Scientists use AGI, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. They use it to model climate change with unprecedented accuracy and design new materials with properties we could only dream of just a few years ago. They are achieving breakthroughs once thought impossible, rewriting the rules of science and engineering. These are the wonders, the tangible manifestations of AGI's transformative power. But there are whispers, anxieties that linger beneath the surface of our excitement. There's an unease as AGI manages city infrastructure, making decisions that affect millions of lives. And there are debates about creativity, about the very definition of art in an age of intelligent machines. We see artists collaborate with machines, blurring the lines between human and artificial creation. We marvel at progress, at the incredible things AGI can do. But we also question what we're handing over, what we might be losing in this rapid technological transformation. 2025 is a year of astonishing achievement, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of artificial intelligence. It's also a year of profound questions, forcing us to confront the ethical and societal implications of our creations. The world is changing fast, and we must adapt, learn, and evolve to navigate this new landscape. AGI is truly a double-edged sword, presenting both immense opportunities and potential pitfalls. It could end famine, personalize education, restore ecosystems, and unlock profound scientific mysteries. AGI might help us become a multiplanetary species, expanding our reach beyond Earth and eradicate disease and poverty. But the risks are real. Mass unemployment, economic inequality, and the alignment problem, ensuring AGI's goals match our values and intentions. A superintelligent AGI could cause harm by pursuing poorly defined objectives. Concentrating AGI's power in a few hands threatens freedom and democracy. The future isn't guaranteed to be utopian. We must navigate with care. As AGI rises, what does it mean to be human? Our value lies in empathy, creativity, and moral judgment, qualities AGI can't replicate. Education must shift from rote learning to critical thinking, collaboration, and emotional intelligence. We must guide AGI's development, setting its goals and ethical boundaries. Global cooperation and robust regulation are essential. AGI's benefits must be shared. International bodies must oversee its safe, equitable use. Our choices today will define our future with AGI. We must infuse it with our values and aspirations. Humanity is the compass steering this new intelligence. We stand at a crossroads facing many possible futures. One path leads to AGI concentrating power, widening inequality, and diminishing freedom. Another path offers shared prosperity, discovery, and a partnership between human and machine. AGI is neutral, a mirror reflecting our values. The responsibility is ours, scientists, policymakers, artists, and citizens alike. We must be active, informed participants in shaping AGI's role. The story of AGI is ultimately about humanity, our values, our choices, our legacy. What we do with this gift will echo through history. Let us choose wisely. The future is in our hands.